guys, Justin from Oracle Lighting here. We're in the Oracle SEMA booth, and we've got our new dynamic LED wheel rings. Just like the other wheel rings, these attach to the back side of the dust shield, stay stationary around the brake rotor, and they light up the wheel well and the underbody of the vehicle. They're controlled through our app. You turn these on, you can select all sorts of different colors. What's really cool about the dynamic series is that these can do all sorts of wild moving patterns. We've got about 200 different patterns on the app to match just about any vehicle theme, colors, and of course these really cool moving effects. And what's interesting about the moving effects is if you're at a car show or a nighttime event, you turn these on, it actually makes the wheels look like they're moving, which is just another really neat feature for an already popular product from Oracle Lighting. These retail at about $399 with the controller. Wiring super simple. Everything wires back to the controller with the plug-and-play connections. You connect positive and negative to the battery, turn the app on, and you're good to go. Stay tuned for more videos from what we're displaying here at the SEMA show, and be sure to check out oraclelights.com for more information.